the easiest ways to find out what university is really like is to go there. Or you can sit back and let the university come to you.
So here's some inside info about life at the University of Queensland.
Being a university student is about exploring opportunities, expanding your career horizons, meeting new people, experiencing a terrific social and cultural scene, and learning new things you're really interested in. The University of Queensland, UQ for short, has 3 world-class campuses.
There's UQ St Lucia on the river, just a few minutes from the Brisbane CBD. With a tradition of quality education, it's also recognised as one of Australia's most beautiful campuses.
There's UQ Gatton, an hour west of Brisbane, offering Queensland's most extensive range of animal and veterinary science, environmental, agribusiness, food science, horticultural and agricultural programs. Its labs and specialist teaching and research facilities are first class.
And there's UQ Ipswich, only 35 minutes west of Brisbane. It's UQ's newest campus and one of the most technologically advanced in the world. There's a mix of heritage-listed buildings and excellent facilities, including the award-winning Building 8, where you'll find the UQ Ipswich Library and interactive workspaces.
The first group of UQ Ipswich graduates completed their programs in 2001. Many of them are now moving up the ladder in their chosen careers, both here and overseas.
The UQ Ipswich learning experience is up close and personal, with a great student-to-teacher ratio, mentoring program and access to a range of learning resources.
With plenty of on-campus events, activities and sports, downtime is a lot of fun too. More than 2,000 students are studying in areas such as business, health, education, IT, arts and social sciences at Ipswich.
Across the 3 UQ campuses, more than 37,000 students are studying over 380 programs. Whatever career you're interested in, you just know there'll be something here for you. UQ students enjoy close contact with academics working at the cutting edge of their disciplines. You'll be challenged and supported to do your best work with access to first-class resources, teaching and learning facilities.
UQ Ipswich offers a lot of help for first-year students and those who are first in their family to go to university. You'll be given tips on adjusting to uni life, managing your time and how to complete assessments. Students at UQ Ipswich have access to scholarships ranging from $500 to $5,000 per year. The campus also has a number of entry pathways to help you get into uni. For UQ students, it's as exciting as it is inspiring. And here's the proof. UQ graduates are sought after by employers. On average, they also earn more than graduates from other universities.
The Good Universities Guide has consistently rated UQ one of the best in Australia, awarding a maximum of 5 stars in areas of getting a job, prestige, student demand and research.
The university also excels in teaching, winning more national teaching awards than any other. Great for you, because you can expect to be taught by some of the best lecturers in the country.
Just to top it all off, UQ is rated one of Australia's top 2 research universities, so you'll be learning from people who are making important discoveries and driving industry development. And UQ is named among the top 50 universities in the world. That's real credibility, and it means your UQ degree is recognised internationally.
The University of Queensland is not only a great academic environment, campus life at Ipswich is just as exceptional.
You'll quickly get into the swing of things, enjoying the sporting facilities, cafes, clubs and societies.
If you're thinking of living near campus, there are plenty of accommodation options, including residential style and self-contained units. Remember, UQ's accommodation services is always happy to give you a hand. Getting around is easy too. Great public transport serves the Ipswich campus, as well as Gatton and St Lucia. There's even a shuttle bus connecting all 3 campuses. We hope you've learned a little bit about life at UQ, in particular, the Ipswich campus.
It's an exciting place to pursue an amazing range of opportunities and to discover what you're really capable of.
And at the same time, you'll enjoy some of the best days of your life. So now you've got the idea, come and see for yourself.